So today we are going to have the revision for what is chapter triangles. Okay. So in triangles, so what are the types of triangles is there? We know that equilateral triangle, isosceles, and then scalene triangle, and then what it is? Right angle triangle. And right angle what it is? Isosceles triangle. Okay. So here you see that in this triangle, already in 9th standard you have studied about what it is, congruency. We have idea about the congruency. So congruency is when you are taking two triangles. So if you are taking a triangle A, B, C and triangle, what is this? P, Q, R. Okay. So in these two triangles, okay, so when you can say it is congruent means the sides should be equal. AB, PQ. So if you are taking triangles ABC and triangles PQR. Okay. So the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So the sides are equal. First we compare the sides. When you are taking the sides, here AB is equal to what it is? PQ. So in what order you have taken the triangle, in that order only you should take the sides. Keep that in mind. Okay. So what you are going to compare, the same thing here, the side it should be like what it is. Both it should be similar. For example, AB is equal to PQ only you can compare. You can't compare AB and what it is QR. Understand? So if it is in this order, you taken triangle in this order. Normally for similarity also you have to do like this. Okay, first we'll discuss about this congruency, then we'll go to the similarity. Okay, then you'll understand what is meant by similarity and congruence. Okay, so here sides, when you're taking sides, AB is equal to what it is? AB is equal to PQ, and then BC is equal to what it is? QR. So AB I have taken, that is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR. And then AC is equal to what it is? AC is equal to P. So this is the way we will compare the sides in congruency. So the sides will be equal. When you are taking the angles, so here what is the angle is there? Angle A is equal to what it is? Angle B. So angle A is equal to angle B. And then angle B is equal to what it is? Angle Q. And angle C is equal to angle R. So this is the way we have to compare the sides and angles. So this is the basic one, you should know clearly about this. Then only we will be able to know how to compare the triangles. Okay. Now here you see that when you come to congruency, what it is? This is related to congruency. So from this, the condition of congruency, is, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle what it is? PQR. So this is the sign of congruency. This is the sign of congruency. So for proving this, we are having some conditions. So what are the conditions means? Side, angle, side. Always keep that in your mind. Side, angle, side. Understand? So two sides and we should have one included angle. Two sides and what it is? One included angle. And then angle, side, angle. That means two angles and one included side. Okay. And then next one is angle, angle, side. Okay. So we have to write angle, angle, side. We are not supposed to write side, angle, angle. Understand? At the same time, we don't have a rule of side, side, angle. Understand? And then the next one is we don't have triple A here, we are having triple S. We are having triple S, and then what it is? R. So these are the criterion which we are going to use for what is congruency. After proving the sides, okay. So here you just see that how many things are there? 1, 2, 3. So we need only 3 terms to prove it is congruency. With the 3 terms, so here what we do means we need one side, one angle, one side. So this is the way we have to check. Maximum in question, what they will do means they will give two clues. So two clue will be given. So that two clue given and one more clue how we have to find means either by what it is, the condition of like transversal or else what it is, vertically opposite angles. So these are the what it is, key points to prove what it is, the other side. Sometimes it will be perpendicular, okay, like what it is, median, or else sometimes it will be given like bisector, like this. These are the words, it is like a key points to prove what it is, one more side. So you have to analyze that, what in triangle, what are the things we can able to find from this. Very clear? So, this is the thing we'll be proving about the congruency. So side angle side means here you see that if I am taking the side AB, so I have to compare with P, what it is, PQ. So AB is equal to PQ. Understand? And then BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to what it is, QR. And then angle B is equal to what it is, angle Q. So angle B is equal to angle Q. Now you see that this is one side, this is one side, and this is one angle. So while writing in what it is, in this order, it is not compulsory to you should write in the form SAS. Okay, you can write in any order, but when you are using the congruency, you have to explain that that is SAS. How it is SAS means, you see that side, angle, side. So this is what we are comparing with the. Any doubt in this? So the same thing we'll use for what it is, similarity. Same thing we use for similarity. You understand? So in congruency you understood? Now angle side angle means if I am taking the angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to what it is, angle R, and then if you are taking like this, which is the included side here? This is the included side. BC is equal to what it is, QR. This is the way you have to take for ASA. You understand? Now we compare, even though I said that these two you have to compare and we should check. So AB is equal to PQ, both in same place. And then BC is equal to QR, that is in same place. And B is equal to angle Q. Understood or not? So both it should be what it is, same. Then only we can say it is congruent. Any doubt in this? Are you clear with this? Same thing when you are taking angle and side means angle B equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and then any one corresponding side it should be equal. Any one corresponding side it should be equal. That is what angle side. Very clear? Okay. And the next one is triple S. Triple S, it is not a problem. All the sides will be like what it is, equal. Then next one is what it is, RHS. What is going to be RHS? It should be a right angle. Right angle it should be equal. And then hypotenuse it should be equal. And any one corresponding side it should be equal. You understand? So this is the way we have to do the congruency. Are you clear with this? Any doubt in this? Oh, stop.